Welcome back to Archive, where today you'll witness the magic as real-time rendering transforms a dull Revit model into an awe-inspiring masterpiece right before your eyes. By the end of this video, you'll have the secrets to turning any Revit project into a visual symphony using Enscape. Let's paint a picture. You've spent hours, maybe even days, crafting your Revit model. But when it comes time to present it, the flat, uninspired visuals just don't do justice to your hard work. It feels like trying to sell a masterpiece with a black and white sketch. You find yourself tangled in endless Photoshop sessions, struggling to add life and depth to your renderings. The clock ticks away as you wrestle with software, knowing there's got to be a better way. Enter Enscape. This tool changes everything by integrating directly with Revit, offering real-time rendering that brings your designs to life instantly. No more waiting, no more guesswork, just pure creative freedom. So why Enscape and why now? It's the go-to for architects ready to elevate their presentations and streamline their workflow. The seamless integration and intuitive interface make it a game changer for anyone serious about design. Let's dive right in. First, we need to get Enscape set up in Revit. Head to the Enscape website, download the plugin, and install it. Make sure your Revit is updated to the latest version to avoid any compatibility issues. Once installed, open Revit and you'll see the Enscape toolbar. Familiarize yourself with the options, start, settings, and all the goodies that will soon become your best friends. Now it's time to start your rendering session. With your model open, click Start on the Enscape toolbar. Watch as your 2D plan morphs into a stunning 3D environment, ready for exploration. Before diving into the magic, it's crucial to optimize your model. Simplify complex geometries and ensure your materials are assigned correctly in Revit. This ensures Enscape renders smoothly and beautifully. Lighting is key to any great render. In Revit, set up your natural lighting using sun settings and add artificial lights where needed. Enscape updates these changes in real time, giving you immediate feedback. Now let's talk materials. Access the material editor in Revit and tweak your materials to see instant visual changes in Enscape. It's like painting on a canvas with immediate results. Navigating your Enscape environment is a breeze. Use the WASD keys for movement and the mouse to look around. This intuitive setup allows you to explore your design from any angle effortlessly. Want to see your design in different lighting? Use Enscape's time of day slider to simulate how sunlight affects your space throughout the day. It's a powerful tool for visualizing how your design interacts with natural light. Enhance your scene by adding realistic elements from Enscape's asset library. Insert furniture, vegetation, and more directly into your Revit model, elevating your design's realism instantly. Once your masterpiece is complete, explore Enscape's export options. Whether it's still images, panoramas, or video walkthroughs, Enscape provides multiple formats to showcase your work. For client presentations, Enscape is your secret weapon. Create immersive walkthroughs that engage and captivate, helping clients visualize their future space with clarity and excitement. Even with the best tools, hiccups happen. If you encounter performance issues, check your graphics card settings or simplify your model further. Rendering discrepancies? Double-check your Revit materials and lighting setup. You've seen the transformation from a basic Revit model to a lifelike render. Numbers don't lie. You can cut your rendering time by more than half and wow your clients like never before. Download link in description. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that subscribe button and join us next time as we delve into AI-driven architectural intelligence. Let's build the future together.